grandmother and grandfather. They will share wonderful experiences they had in natural method to make her very happy and nice. Okay, so good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, please tell your journey. Like last maybe 9 months or so, you have been with us. No, you just came. So Pragya, hello Pragya.
Pragya, see there?
Okay, Pragya is anyway just very good. Okay, okay. So just tell like how was it 9 months back? What was her?
9 months back, Pragya,
No problem, no problem, no problem.
Pragya used to shout,
Yeah,
and she used to be
Yeah.
like shouting like that.
yeah, yeah.
And she was being very naughty,
Okay,
at that time. But
Yeah.
we were wondering why she is doing like
Okay.
that. What is the reason?
yeah,
We are not understanding what
Okay,
is
okay.
happening at that
Okay.
time. And then we came
Met
to you.
me, yeah, okay.
You are a great soul, actually.
God's grace.
And
Yeah,
we are
just,
really lucky to have such a doctor like you. You are not a doctor. You are a healer, natural healer. I
Nice,
can
okay.
tell you.
Very
And
nice. See, what no, just
and
sharing.
You have given
Yeah,
me some tips.
Yeah.
Just I ignored what is
Okay,
there.
okay.
And we are afraid of this corona and
True,
all this.
true.
No, they made
Yeah,
us
yeah.
scared. And she's very little girl. Why to
Yeah,
take
yeah.
her outside?
True, true.
Like that I thought. But slowly, then I realized that I should follow you.
Okay, okay.
My father used to.
Yeah.
My father used to take her.
Yeah.
No one then.
Okay,
No one then. But improvement was not that much.
Okay.
Like okay.
okay.
Okay, she was. But that was not enough for her.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we thought, no, this is not right thing. Let
Okay.
us take daily.
Okay,
And let us see what happens.
okay, okay.
And we are taking her daily.
Okay.
That shouting.
Hmm.
And that
Yeah,
she used to do
irritable
like
nature,
this,
all.
like this,
Ah,
like that she
yeah,
used to do that.
yeah.
That everything has reduced.
Amazing.
And she's before that she used to run zigzag.
Zigzag.
Now she used to run straight.
Okay.
No understanding our commands. Pragya, don't do that.
Very
Pragya,
nice.
stop.
Wonderful.
Pragya, look back.
Okay, okay.
That's almost all improved. Sometimes nowadays she's not looking back.
Okay,
Sometimes
that's only
you will
3 now. Only 1 week or 10 days over.
1 week or 10 days.
Of
such an
continuous,
improvement.
such an improvement. Amazing, amazing.
Such an improvement she has got.
Okay.
And she likes water.
Wonderful.
And we are making before
And the
that
tub-
we used to stop for everything.
everything.
We used to restrict her.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
do this.
Ah,
Don't do that.
yeah,
Don't
yeah.
do this.
Okay, okay.
Now we are letting her
go and
letting
be
her
free.
do what she wants and freely.
No.
And we have given tub bath.
Wonderful.
That really
She enjoys, no?
Oh, she likes water. She likes nature.
Okay,
She
okay.
likes cats, animals,
Wonderful, wonderful.
trees, plants.
You know,
She want to
I
be
can
with the
feel
nature.
I can feel the emotion that you're telling because true healing has occurred
True healing
through
has
Mother
happened.
Nature, through Mother Nature.
And the
Yeah.
first day we have given tub baths, you have to see her face.
Oh, great.
Such a
Happy,
bright,
huh? Bright
she
face.
was bright.
Okay, okay.
Happy, satisfied.
Okay, okay.
That satisfaction you can see, that happiness, I
Wonderful.
cannot explain that.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And that I can, as a
You can,
mother, I can
you
only
can feel.
experience.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And even now,
Ah.
before that we used to take to the park, we are so scared.
Ah.
My father was telling why she's shouting.
Yeah, yeah,
I thought it's a normal kids when she
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
other children are not doing why she is doing.
yeah.
But now she's not shouting.
Normal.
Every day we are
Every day you're going, you see?
going.
That is the initial excitement that she was expressing.
Yes.
And now I can see first time she's also sitting with you for long.
And that before that we don't have a bonding.
Yeah, yeah.
What as a mother, what I thought,
Yeah.
I've given her tea.
Ah.
I have given luxury
My
life.
God. Ah.
Huh? And
Okay.
she's telling ABCD, EFG,
Everything.
she's telling A for
Okay.
apple.
Okay.
Spellings also she was
My
telling.
God.
Until
Ah,
Z,
okay.
Z for zoo,
Oh,
Z for
everything.
zebra, everything. See how she says
Beautiful.
zebra. Huh? I was happy.
Okay.
A mother, father is there. They look after them. I'm doing her needful things. I'm
Okay.
making her bath. That's all. But as a mother,
Correct.
I did enough.
Correct.
That love, affection, that was somewhere I missed.
Wonderful,
Wonderfully, I did not do.
Yeah, I know, without knowing, unknowingly, that's what.
Unknowingly,
See,
unknowingly.
yeah, beautiful. I'm so
I'm
happy.
doing